Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with Ramoni. We are going to get started lying down on our back with our knees bent, the feet are planted, knees are pointing up. Let's slowly tuck our pelvis under so we can lengthen our spine. And relax your pelvis, relax your hips. Let's do that one more time. We tuck the pelvis up and in. And relax your hips and your pelvis as you draw your knees in towards your chest here. Feel free to grab onto your wrist or your arms or your knees as you just rock from side to side here. Keep your right knee where it is as you plant your left foot on your yoga mat. Let's flex our right toes, and now we point the toes. Again, let's flex the right toes, and we point. One more time, let's flex. Keep that foot flexed and extend your right leg up towards the ceiling. As you lie here, you want to gently pull on that right leg just until you start to feel a stretch. So you don't have to overextend the leg, you don't have to overextend yourself. Stay within your limits while still challenging yourself and feeling a stretch. Let's plant that right foot as we draw the left knee into the chest. Flex that left foot and we point. Again, let's flex and we point. Let's flex again and extend that left leg up towards the ceiling, gently pulling on that left leg. Still relaxing your head, your neck, and your shoulders down onto the mat as you breathe in and out through your nose. Let's plant that left foot on your yoga mat as you open your feet a little bit wider. Open your arms into a T position and drop both legs over to the left side of the room. Make your way through center as you lower the legs over to the right side this time.
Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it.
Bring your knees back to center, closing the legs a little bit. Pull your right knee in towards your chest again. This time you have the option to straighten that left leg down onto the mat, flexing that left foot. And now we make our way into a supine twist by guiding our right knee across our body over towards the left side of the room. You can extend your right arm out to the side and just make sure both shoulder blades are glued to your yoga mat. And you can look up at the ceiling or over your right shoulder. Come back to center as you extend your right leg up towards the ceiling, keeping that foot flexed, gently pulling on the leg. Plant your right foot on your yoga mat as you pull your left knee into your chest. And now you can extend that right leg long just like we did on the other side. We make our way into our supine twist with our left leg. Come back through center as you extend your left leg up towards the ceiling, keeping both feet flexed. We make our way into a figure 4 by placing our left ankle on top of our right knee. You can either keep that right foot planted or you can float the legs up towards you, either grabbing behind the right leg or in front of that right knee. Make your way into a figure 4 on the other side. Release your figure 4, coming into a stacked supine twist on the left side. So dropping both legs to the left again, but this time that right leg is stacked on top of that left leg. You can scoot your knees up if you are able to get the knees in line with the hips. And again, you can look up at the ceiling or over that right shoulder. Let's make our way into a stacked supine twist on the right. Come into a fetal position on the right side of your body, using your right arm as a pillow. Now slowly make your way up into a seated position with the legs straight in front of you. Shake your legs out a little bit, flexing the toes. Let's slide our hands down our legs, coming into a forward fold. Make sure you're breathing in and out through the nose here. Make your way back up as you bend your left knee, planting your left foot on your mat. Your left hand comes behind you and you hook your right elbow on the left knee. You take an inhale, lengthening the spine, and you exhale, twist, looking over that left shoulder. Let's do that on the other side. Again, let's come back into our forward fold, relaxing the head, the neck, and the shoulders. We come back up, making our way into a cross-legged position. Let's sweep the arms overhead and bring our hands to heart center, taking a deep breath all together. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I really hope that you enjoyed this class. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below, including classes that I teach outside of YouTube. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.